Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Camry side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new mirror assembly. Make sure your Camry is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's 12-volt battery before starting any work. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic trim panel located on the inside of the door, near the mirror base. This will expose the mirror's mounting bolts. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical wire harness that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, use a socket wrench to unscrew the 3 bolts securing the old mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later use. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the bolt holes on the door frame. Insert and hand tighten the 3 mounting bolts, then use your socket wrench to fully secure them. Ensure the mirror is snug but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new mirror, making sure it clicks firmly into place for proper function. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the interior trim panel that covers the mirror bolts. Make sure all clips are properly engaged for a secure fit. Reconnect the negative terminal of your car's 12-volt battery. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new mirror. Check that the power adjustments work correctly and, if applicable, verify the heating function. You've successfully replaced your Toyota Camry side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.